Hello everyone, my name is Alicia Khong. I have created this Python program to educate kids on to not throw trash into the sea, as when we throw trash into the sea, we will pollute the sea, and the fishes will suffer. So now, let me show you the code for my program. First, I will import these two modules. Then I will call the turtle module as T for short form. I will increase the size of the turtle screen using this code over here. So basically, in this fish life game, I will have 3 lives. And if I do anything wrong, my life will decrease by 1. And I will need 5 ages to hatch into a fish. So I will set the flag is true first, then I will set all these variables first. So while flag is true, I will ask this question until either I am a fish or either my health decreased by 1 because I choose nothing for more than 3 times. Next, I will set the flag is true again. So this step of code will repeat a lot of times. So if I choose to swim, I will either meet a shark, find an item that looks like a jellyfish but is actually a plastic, or I'll be trapped in a net. And if I choose to eat, I will either have a higher chance to eat trash thrown by humans, as nowadays there are more trash being thrown by humans, or I could eat fish food, which increases my health by 0.5. Next, if I choose to make friends, over here, my friends will be random from 1 to 3, then I will add my total friends to my friends. So first I will clear the screen, then the user can either choose between these 4 shapes and choose the color of which the shape will be drawn. If I choose to show health or show friends, I will print either this statement or this statement respectively, and I will convert the health into integer. Same goes for the total friends. However, if the user does not choose A, B, C, D, or E, says invalid input. If my health is 0, I will die and my flag will be set to false, so the project will stop running. Now let me show you how my program works. I will grow 5 times, and I am now a fish. I will choose to swim, and I am trapped in a net. Since I don't have any fish friends, I can only fight it. I have 0 fish friends, so my health decreased by 1. In order to make fish friends, I will choose C. And then I have 2 friends right now. I can choose to draw a heptagon, and I will make the color green. As you can see, it will draw a heptagon. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope that you learn that we should not pollute the sea as the more fishes will die.